Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Quote from Nelson Mandela: there is no passion to be found playing small, in settling for the life that is less than the one that you are capable of living. What does that mean? First off, playing small is no way to live life. You've got to embrace your life. Life is unbelievably awesome. And if you do not invest in yourself and play the game this way, if you don't like the game, then you need to regroup and get a new fucking attitude, because playing small is never going to get you to the promised land. I guarantee it. Never settle anything. If you settle for people in your life and you are unhappy a year later, 2 years later, 5 years later, who the fuck do you have to blame? You blame yourself. Do not settle. You got to have the life that you deserve. Invest in yourself. You are capable of living the best life that you can. You just need to hang out with better people. That's why you come here and you watch my videos, because I am going to give you all of the good tips about living that positive life. That's the way we roll. And that's why I'm Papa Tom. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Have a great day, everybody. Peace out. Love y'all.